ඉතින් ඔන්න අද අපි පෙන්වන්න යන්නේ ඔයගලන්ට coffee හදන විදිහ. How to make which coffee chef we making?
We will make a latte.
Latte. How to make Spanish latte. ඉතින් මෙන්න මේ විදිහට තමයි fresh coffee beans ගන්න.
This is only latte.
Grind කළා. This is latte. Okay, sorry guys. This
So
is
you
latte.
need beans 19 grams.
Okay, this is the recipe. This is how we do calibration.
19 grams. 19.1, 19.2. So okay. Plus 1, plus 2, minus 2. Plus 2, minus 2. It's enough. It's okay.
Okay.
So this one is the range in 25 to 30 seconds.
Okay. ඉතින් මම හිතනවා මේ වීඩියෝ එක බැරිස්ටා ෆීල්ඩ් එකට ඉන්න අයට ගොඩක් වැදගත් වෙයි. ඉතින් ඩුබායි එන්න ඉන්නවා නම් ඔන්න මේක ගොඩක් වැදගත් වෙයි. ඉන්නේ අපේ ජුන් මල්ලි බැරිස්ටා number 1 ජුන් අල්මරයි
29 seconds extraction, guys.
So, ඉතින් ඔයගොල්ලන්ට පේනවා ඔන්න කොෆි තියෙන ප්‍රමාණය. Yes.
So this is our espresso, guys. Our extraction time is 29 seconds. Then we will make latte.
ඉතින් මේ විදිහට තමයි latte form එක හදාගන්නේ fresh milk වලින්.
Our perfect temperature, guys, is 55 to 60 degrees only.
ඉතින් ඔන්න බලා ගන්න කොහොමද latte art එක. Wow. ඉතින් මෙන්න මේ විදිහට තමයි අපේ chef barista John අපිට coffee හදලා දෙන්නේ රසම රස coffee. In Europe people, Arabic people, everyone like his coffee. ඉතින් බලමු යාගේ latte art එක කොහොමද කියලා. හරිම ලස්සනට latte art දානවා අපේ John මල්ලි. Wow, supiri. Ano? Wow, super latte art එක නියාලුනේ පේනවනේ. ඉතින් thank you Chef June.
I feel nervous, chef.
ඉතින් බලමු කොහොමද කියලා taste එක. Wow.
I want your honest reaction, chef.
Yes. Let's try. Wow. Yes.
Supri.
Supiri.
Supri.
Even I forget the name after I drink this. Please, what is my name?
What is your name, chef?
I forget.
You forget, huh?
Yes.
Check your marriage ID.
Okay. Inshallah. Thank you so much. ඉතින් යාළුවෝ ඔයගලන්ට idea එකක් අදහසක් ගන්න තමයි මේ වීඩියෝ එක කරේ. ඉතින් දෙයක් ගන්න පුළුවන් නම් මේකෙන් ඉතින් අරගන්න. Thank you so much. Thank you June.
You're welcome, chef.
ඉතින් ඔන්න අද වීඩියෝ එකෙන් දෙන්නේ ඔයගලන්ට barista job එකට එන්න ඉන්න පිටරටකට job එකට යන්න ඉන්න. ඉතින් barista field එක ගැන දන්නේ නැති අයට පොඩි advice ටිකක් motivation එකක්. We have June, our number 1 barista, so he will explain
Hi, guys.
something about this job, how you enter the job, what is job description, what you need to know about coffee, right?
Yes.
Yes, so you can explain something to newcomers in this coffee. Then අපේ barista මල්ලි ඉන්නවා June. අපි අහලා බලමු මෙයාගෙන් විස්තර ටිකක්. Hi June.
Yes, chef.
Which challenges you face when you become a barista?
When I become a barista.
Yes, which challenges you face
Uh,
when you started?
At first, you need to face the challenges of everyday drinking espresso because you need to taste the espresso first before you serve to customer.
So you need
Just
to
to
drink too much
ensure,
coffee,
yes, just to ensure that you are giving high quality coffee. Because for me, I'm not drinking coffee, so that is the biggest challenge for me.
But you need to drink always
Yeah, you need
before
to
you
drink,
customer.
yeah.
When you do calibration, you need to do.
Yeah,
right?
you need to do it.
Okay.
Good coffee is depending on the barista.
Okay. As your experience.
Yeah, as per my experience, even how good beans you have, if your calibration is not good, if you don't know how to make the good calibration of your beans, everything is useless. That's why it depends on the barista.
Okay.
The barista making the coffee is special.
If someone wants to become barista, what kind of idea you can give for them?
If you want to become a barista, you have to learn everything about coffee. You have to search everything and make it your passion. Like
Okay.
that. Sorry for my English, guys.
No problem. One more question. If you want to become barista, you need to focus only coffee or you need to focus entitled something else?
You need to focus everything as a barista because a good barista, you have to become multitasker. Also,
Okay.
Spanish.
Okay, Jun. So newcomers who wants to become barista. So newcomers, what is your opinion for them? For newcomers.
Newcomers.
Yes.
For me,
What
always
is your advice for newcomers?
for the newcomers, always stay humble, always hungry about knowledge,
Yes.
and do not compete to other barista. Just adapt what you see to them, adapt what they are doing. They're doing right. Just adapt and then apply to your work.
And you need to be very presentable, right?
Yeah, presentable, and also you need to be professional. Do not put your feelings, emotion to your job. That's it.
So, wish you all the best, newcomers.
Wish you all the best, newcomers. Good luck.
Good luck. Yalla Bina.
Yalla Bina.
Let's go.
Meka dende.
Mega denda.
Mega dende. Supreme supri.
Supreme supri. Ini barista job bagi din tawat. Produk hot chocolate. Ini coffee vidarak neme. Tin June mali tamai me okkoma karane tin me logo competition ne ati no. Atanat coffee. Me daluat coffee. Me hamadana coffee dinne. Iting loco challenges loco competition na katino.
Cheese kuna for how long?
Cheese kuna fa kamin. Okay, let's go. Jun Maria, our number one barista. Team Methi in
Maria, number one barista. Delicious coffee, tasty coffee. Nice art. You drink. Ooh.
How much do I pay you?
The beans do not get burnt. You taste the coffee, you feel the flavor, you feel the milk.
chocolate ka khadana vidya. Wala mo ting.
Nice hasai, nice cafe latte art.
This is our parrot. Parrot girl.
Oh my goodness.
Whoa.
Hi, good morning. You wanna stand for the menu?
Pupunta pa rin. Dito lang. Sa loob ka ba?
Methi ni cream foam ka.
Hinahanap na miss lang kita.
Juni is going to become a celebrity in one
Wow.
second.
Final touch.
I know touch.
Wow. The methi ni crumble, chocolate crumble. Let's go.
Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum, alaikum salam. Matcha, matcha can green tea. Iting matcha ka khadani dita ma iting campaign ne. Iting මෙන්න මේ විදිහට තමයි ඉතින් මේ වගේ දේවල් යනවා ඩුබායි වල. ඉතින් අපිට මේ ෆීල්ඩ් එකට එද්දි මේ දේවල් දැනගෙන ඉන්න එක ගොඩක් හොඳයි.
Can I get one cheesecake strawberry?
Cheesecake strawberry please.
One please. Yeah, the matcha please.
Matcha come in. This is condensed milk, right? So everything we have recipe always scaling. See?
Give me one cheesecake.
Sorry.
Banana pudding with
One banana pudding and cheesecake please.
cheesecake strawberries.
Strawberry.
You gonna shake?
No shake.
No shake. Only mix.
Hey, no need.
Okay.
No need the other. They cancel. They cancel that.
Wow. ඉතින් මෙන්න මේක තමයි matcha කියන්නේ. Green tea ගොඩක් healthy drink එකක්. What are you going to put now, Arjun?
Salted caramel.
Salted caramel. This is the famous one.
Salted vanilla.
Salted vanilla, sorry guys. Yes, please. Wow.
I need a size
Let's
smoothie.
go. A size smoothie come in. Yes. Think when the mega final touch finish. Okay.
Bye guys.
See you in another video.